Scrapbooking and memory keeping are supposed to help you tell your story, but lately it might seem like you're doing more decorating of your pages than actually capturing your life. Here we focus on story first. I hit that wall too. I was making pretty layouts, but they didn't really say anything about me or my life. I miss those early days when I actually journaled on my scrapbook pages. So I tried a small experiment. What if I started with a journaling prompt instead of a product? That one shift changed everything about how I scrapbook. Pages in Progress is my story-first approach to scrapbooking. You begin with a thoughtful prompt, you add a story, and then you create with what you already have. No rules, no pressure to make it perfect, just you and the moments that matter. On this channel, I share story-first scrapbook journaling sessions, prompts, and practical tools that help make memory keeping feel doable and meaningful. Whether you're a brand new memory keeper, you're coming back after years away, or just tired of keeping up with traditional scrapbooking, you're in the right place. If you're ready to begin, your next step is my free download, Journaling Prompts for Memory Keepers, Story First Journaling on Scrapbook Pages. It's an easy jumpstart for reflective journaling in your scrapbooks. Grab the free sampler using the link below, and if this approach feels like home, hit subscribe so we can keep telling our stories together.